So if anyone asks, what is the objective of data mesh? You answer with a precise one-liner, which is for an organization to be agile with respect to data over a period. And that is pretty much it. That's what we're trying to get to with data mesh. That is the panacea that organizations are aiming for. There are things like getting rid of that fragile data pipeline that sits between the operational and analytic plane. In all organizations, when you start sort of peeling back the covers, you'll discover that actually there's quite a lot of fragility in there, and making changes has impact, and we need to be really careful about making changes because we may impact others. And that's something that we see and something that data mesh aims to resolve and get rid of. A lack of talent is something else. I would suggest that actually technology can resolve that issue and allow generalists to become much more valuable to an organization in terms of managing data.